Did you know that a car battery is made up of 60% recycled materials? Quite a green start for something that powers vehicles, isn't it? This surprising reality brings to light the significant role of recycling and sustainability within the automotive industry. In our quest for technological advancement, we've found ways to make the most of our resources. This isn't just good news for your car, but it's a huge win for our planet. Now that we've piqued your interest, let's delve into how these powerhouses are actually made. The process starts with the most crucial element, lead. But how does lead become a battery? Well, the journey is a fascinating one. First, the lead is converted into lead oxide. This transformation takes place in a furnace, where the lead is heated to extremely high temperatures. In the fiery belly of the furnace, the lead encounters oxygen, causing a chemical reaction that results in the formation of lead oxide. Once our lead has been transformed, it's ready to take the next step. The lead oxide is mixed with water, creating a thick, dense paste. This paste, rich with potential energy, is then applied to a grid. The grid serves as the backbone of our battery, holding the paste in place and directing the flow of energy. With the grids prepared, it's time to assemble the battery, but that's a story for the next scene. Stay tuned to see how the magic unfolds. The assembly line is where the magic happens. It's here that the core of the battery, the cells, begin to take shape. Let's start with the positive and negative plates. They are the heart of the battery, where the chemical reactions occur that make our cars start, our lights shine, and our radios play. These plates are made of lead and lead dioxide, and they are stacked together, but not touching. That's where separators come into play. These thin sheets of insulating material keep the plates apart, preventing short circuits. They are the unsung heroes of the battery world, ensuring that the energy is channeled in the right direction. Once the plates are stacked with separators in between, they are placed into a battery case, a sturdy container that will protect the delicate inner workings from the outside world. Now, let's introduce a crucial component: sulfuric acid. This corrosive liquid is carefully added to the battery case. It acts as the electrolyte, facilitating the flow of electric charge between the positive and negative plates. It's a bit like the conductor of an orchestra, directing the flow of energy in the battery. After the sulfuric acid is added, the battery is sealed. This is a critical step. The seal needs to be perfect, ensuring that the acid stays in and everything else stays out. It's a bit like putting the lid on a jar of pickles, only much more precise and with a lot more at stake. And there you have it. The battery is assembled. It's now a powerhouse, ready to store and deliver energy. But it's not quite ready to start your car or light up your headlights. Sealed and ready, but we're not done yet. The batteries now need to be charged. Charging a new battery isn't as simple as plugging it in. In fact, this process is a meticulously controlled one, taking place in a specifically designed environment. This ensures the battery gets the right amount of power at the right pace without causing damage or reducing its potential lifespan. It's a delicate balance that requires precision and expertise. The batteries are placed in a charging room, the heart of the operation, where conditions are constantly monitored. The room's temperature is controlled to prevent overheating, while the voltage and current are carefully regulated. The batteries are charged at a steady, controlled rate, a method known as constant current charging. This way, the battery receives a consistent flow of energy, maximizing its capacity and longevity. But that's not all. After the batteries are fully charged, they don't just go straight into cars. Each and every battery undergoes a series of rigorous tests and inspections. This is an essential step in the manufacturing process, as it ensures the batteries meet the high-quality standards set by the industry. The tests check for things like voltage, capacity, and resistance. Any battery that doesn't meet these stringent standards is not allowed to leave the factory. Apart from these technical checks, the batteries also undergo a physical inspection. This includes checking for any visible defects such as leaks or cracks. The inspectors also ensure that all the components are properly attached and that the battery's casing is sturdy and secure. The final phase of the inspection involves a thorough cleaning. This helps to remove any residue or dust that might have accumulated during the manufacturing process. The batteries are then carefully packed and prepared for shipment. By the time a battery leaves the factory, it's gone through an intense journey of creation, charging, and rigorous testing. This meticulous process ensures that when you turn the key in your vehicle, your battery is ready to provide reliable, efficient power. Charged, tested, and ready to power up your vehicle. That's the promise of a factory-fresh battery, meticulously crafted to deliver the power when you need it. And that's the end of our journey through the life of a car battery. So, that's the journey of a car battery from lead to power source. It's an intricate process, every step meticulously planned and executed. Let's take a moment to revisit this remarkable journey. We start with the humble lead, a heavy yet malleable metal that forms the heart of every car battery. It's interesting to note that a significant portion of this lead comes from recycled batteries, a testament to our commitment to sustainability. Next, we journey to the assembly line, the birthplace of these powerhouses. Here, the lead plates are assembled into cells and then into the battery case. It's a ballet of precision and efficiency, with each battery component slotting into place under the watchful eyes of skilled workers and advanced machinery. But it's not just about assembly. Quality control plays a pivotal role in ensuring that each battery is up to par. Each battery undergoes rigorous testing before it's deemed fit for use. Charging, discharging, and visual inspections are all part of this process, ensuring that the battery you put in your car is reliable and efficient. The process of creating a car battery is a fascinating blend of science, engineering, and dedication to quality. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a reminder of what we're capable of when we combine our knowledge and skills. Next time you turn on your car, remember the intricate process that went into making your car battery. Until then, drive safe and stay curious.